Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rise of Nations on Xbox. First, understand that Rise of Nations was designed for PC, so it's not directly available on Xbox consoles. However, there are methods to bridge this gap. We'll explore how you can stream the game from a PC to your Xbox, allowing you to enjoy this classic strategy title on your console. This approach leverages modern technology to bring PC games to your living room setup. To stream Rise of Nations, you'll need a Windows PC with the game installed and running. Make sure both your PC and Xbox are connected to the same local network, ideally via an Ethernet cable for the best performance. Open the Xbox app on your PC and select the console streaming option. This feature allows you to project your PC's display to your Xbox, effectively turning your console into a streaming receiver for your computer. Once streaming, launch Rise of Nations on your PC. You might need to adjust the game's resolution to match your TV for a better visual experience. For controls, you'll typically use a keyboard and mouse connected directly to your Xbox, as these are the native input methods for the game. A wireless keyboard and mouse combo can provide more flexibility and comfort while playing from your couch, enhancing your gaming session. For the best experience, ensure you have a strong and stable home network connection, preferably wired. Close any unnecessary applications on your PC to free up resources for streaming. If you encounter lag or stuttering, try reducing the in-game graphics settings of Rise of Nations. You can also explore third-party streaming software like Steam Link for potentially smoother performance, offering alternative ways to enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.